going on again for like the 6th time today, but there's masses of birds. Dive bomb in the front wheels coming around from the rear of the tractor, different directions. Pretty amazing. So I'm going to try a telephoto here. Let's see nope, that didn't seem to work. Anyway, we're in the Evergreen state. Got a green tractor mowing a beautiful green field, and we got the green Douglas fir trees and maples and western red cedar up on the hill. So it's beautiful here just east of Seattle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.